Hi there, my name is Derek Vipond. I've been with ServiceChannel for almost 6 years, and I currently lead our West Coast sales team. In my time here, I've helped some of the biggest multi-site facilities operators deliver on the promise of digital transformation. Quite frankly, the hard part is navigating corporate change management, finding out whose vote counts, and getting people to agree on the appropriate solution to begin with. To that end, one of the key factors to success is building a rock-solid business case. It doesn't matter if you're a retailer, a restaurant chain, a storage facility, or even a dental office. If you can't convey how the problems within facilities impact the business, your chances of success go way down. A good business case translates why your problems should matter to other people, why solving your problems allows the business to save money or accomplish strategic directives like opening more locations. Not every organization has a deep appreciation for what facilities departments do on a day in and day out basis. They might view facilities as a cost center and not a department that can be leveraged to actually drive revenue. We know they're wrong, but they don't. We need to help them see that. A good business case will do just that. There are 4 key ingredients to a world-class business case. Number 1, an outline of the current situation. This should be strictly fact-based without any opinions, and ideally it calls out key corporate initiatives like growing sales or adding new stores. Number 2, an outline of the problems resulting from the current situation. This is where most people tend to focus all of their effort, but it's important to understand it's only one part of the equation. We're not here to complain, we're here to transform. Number 3, an outline of the solution you're proposing to solve those problems. This isn't just about the vendor you want to implement, but showing that you have a plan and all you need are the resources to execute that plan. Number 4, the value impact that solution will have on the business. This is where most people fail to deliver. You need to answer that "what's in it for me" question that leadership is thinking about. Why is this a win-win situation? To make these steps easier to follow, we've provided our own business case template that can get you started.